Hi everyone, and welcome to this video where we will talk about installing Hudu Radar in your Hudu environment. The first step is going to be starting your Hudu Radar trial, which you will do in Hudu HQ. Once the radar trial is enabled, Hudu Radar will automatically show up in your admin section of Hudu. If it doesn't right away, you may need to go into your license key and refresh the key. Now that Hudu Radar is enabled, let's jump into the company we want to set it up for. In this case, we'll go into Atlas Company Inc., and to set up Radar, we'll need to go into IPAM. In the IPAM section, you'll see an option to activate Hudu Radar. In this case, we'll go ahead and do that. Now that Hudu Radar is activated, we see a brand new section in between core and our asset layouts called Hudu Radar. As I jump into this new section, we'll see our steps for actually downloading Hudu Radar and getting our scanning started. As you can see, the first step that we have to do is go ahead and download Radar. In this case, I'm going to use the MSI file type. Now, after a quick moment, I have Hudu Radar downloaded, and I can go ahead and open up the installer. Now we'll walk through the setup. I can click Next here. We'll need to accept the terms in the license agreement. By default, the Radar installer is going to go into Program Files, but you can change this if desired. We'll go ahead and click Next. And now we'll get to a spot where we need to enter in the Hudu Radar code. The Hudu Radar activation code is found in that same radar setup that we were in earlier. Step 2 is going ahead and getting the radar code. I will go ahead and copy this to my clipboard and go back into the installer and paste that code in. And now we'll go ahead and hit Next and install. Once I install, I'll just need to click Yes, and Hudu Radar will go ahead and get installed on this company. As we can see, we finished the radar setup, so we'll go ahead and click Finish. One thing you can always do to make sure that it is installed correctly is click this little caret symbol, and if we see the Hudu icon here that says Hudu Radar service is running, we know that it was installed correctly. So now that we have Hudu Radar enabled for this company, the scanning will begin and continue dynamically every 35 minutes going forward. I hope you enjoyed this video walking through the installation of Hudu Radar. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or submit a support ticket with us at support.hudu.com. Thanks so much for joining, everyone.